Supercharged, 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 supercharged.
What's up, Dream Chasers? What's up, Branch Gang? It's your boy Kevin Van Vorst checking in for another video for you guys today. So, before we get started, I just wrote a very large check to Thunder Valley Raceway Park. If you don't know where that is, it's the big racetrack in Oklahoma City. So we'll be having a flashlight shootout there June 19th. And then we got a flashlight shootout in Houston. So all my H-Town peeps, Dallas peeps, make sure you guys go to Houston Motorsports Park, HMP, this Saturday. It's gonna be a blast. So we've got a ton of people we know out in Houston. It's gonna be some fast cars. But I just wrote a very large check so we could rent the track in Oklahoma City. Whew. So, the joys of owning a second business, or third, or whatever this is. Anyways, today's video, we're gonna go look at a Ford Raptor. Now again, I have never drove one. I don't even think no, I haven't rode in one either. But they are fucking expensive. So I went on, I think Car Gurus, and like there's used ones going for like almost 70 grand, and I'm like, oh my God. So we're gonna go look at one. I think it's a 2020 or 2019, maybe it's a 2018. I don't know. I know it has a V6. I don't really know much about Raptors. All I know is they have the gay V6s and they sound like shit if you put an exhaust on them. So we're gonna go look at one of those and see how I feel about it. So I figure we start off the, what am I going to replace my Charger Hellcat with series, with something different. So let's go look at this Ford Raptor and see what it's all about. I definitely do not see a Raptor. Bro, what? That's very confusing. Alright, so we're gonna try a different place because they don't have it, I guess. So yeah, so that's cool. It's weird. Like, there's a road or a street in Amarillo. It's southwest Georgia. And there's like a ton of used car dealerships. Bro, no one has anything. Like, it's crazy. Like, that's insane. And if I get a truck, I guess I don't need the dually. Maybe we'll have to see if I can get a good price for these, because these, it's like if you don't need something right now, like, the time to sell is now. It's fucking like, there's a Honda dealership, I can count on one hand how many cars they have. That's insane. So we're gonna try this other place off I-27 and see. They said they have a Raptor, so we'll see. See if I show up and if they have one or not. And if they don't, I'm punching someone in the face or the leg, maybe the knee. Can someone explain to me why dealerships have them on their website and then they don't have Raptors in stock? That's 0 for 2. Let's go find another place. Days later, I finally found a Ford Raptor that's fucking for sale. So, I was driving by, actually on my way to work today, and there's a Chevy dealership that we went to probably like 2 years ago, and they like refused to let me look at a Corvette. And mind you, like, I pulled up in my old Trackhawk, and I don't know, it was real weird. So anyways, it's very strange. That video got like 300,000 or 400,000 views. That was pretty awesome. Anyway, so we're gonna go check this Raptor out. It's blue. Not really the color that I would get, but I just want to see what they're about. Again, I've never drove one. I've sat in one, I think, like the first gens. So I don't know what year this is. I'm assuming it looks brand new, or maybe slightly used. I have no clue how much it costs or anything like that. So we're going to this blind. So we're gonna go check this out. It's currently 105 degrees outside. That's cool. So welcome to summertime in Amarillo, Texas. But we are gonna go check this out and see what it's about. See, I ain't lying. There's 2 of them actually. I'm pretty sure that I know the guy who had that gray one. I could be wrong, which I didn't know he sold it, but it's the only Raptor I've ever seen with red wheels, and that one's got red wheels. So we're gonna check these out. Again, I have no clue. No, those are the new front ends. So they're probably used. I don't really care. I just want to look at them. I'm not buying anything today. Obviously, we got to go test drive a bunch of cars so we can see what I'm going to be doing next for the channel. Not really the channel for my life, but I like the gray. Blue is cool, but it's just kind of boring. I'm pretty sure I know the dude who sold this. So this doesn't have a sticker on it. I like the color. Let's see what the blue one looks like, but this is what this one looks like. I do look how angry these look. Let's see. Dealer warranty, no clue how much this one is. It looks super new on the inside. I like the front ends, they're like super mean looking. It's missing something there. I like the wheels. Alright, someone's gonna come talk to us, I can feel it. There's a salesman coming. He's over there, he's coming. He's all, oh dog, this guy's gonna buy some. No, I'm not, I just wanna look at this. 71 G's. And this is 36,000 miles. So, he's gonna go grab the keys to one of them. I told him I'm just looking. He's like, you wanna trade this in or sell it? I'm like, I mean, if you got money on everything's for sale, you know what I mean? Except myself. Well, for a price, I guess. So, I don't know. I wonder what the truck is actually worth. I have no clue. Anyways, so that Raptor, that blue one, is $71,000 with 36,000 miles. That's fucking crazy. I didn't even see what year it was, but I don't think they made 2020, so it's got to be a 2018 or 2019. I definitely like the gray better. The blue, again, it's okay, but I mean, obviously, if you know me, I'm gonna wrap whatever I get. So, but I'm pretty sure that I know the guy who used to have that. I could be wrong, but I'm pretty sure. So we'll see what happens. See if I can go test drive it again. I've never drove one, so I'll let you guys know. I do like the front ends of the Raptors. I'm not a big fan of the V6 though. I get that it's faster than the V8 that they made, but it just, you can't put an exhaust on it. It sounds like a, no offense to anybody who drives a Honda, but you know what I mean? Like, it just sounds like shit. So I'm not a huge fan of the V6. I just wish they would throw like a V8 in these, just like what Ram did. Just make the people happy. That's what we want. We want V8s. Big ass engines. I don't give a fuck about gas. You're paying 70 grand for a truck. Ain't nobody giving a fuck about gas mileage. Just saying. So we'll wait for this guy to grab the keys, and I don't know why they're on like a golf cart or something. Like, this is pretty, that's a good walk. I mean, so we'll see. I'm not gonna bring the camera out when I go test drive these or look at these on the inside, because I don't want to be that guy. But I'll let you guys know my thoughts afterwards. All right, so first time ever driving a Ford Raptor. That was a speed bump. First time ever driving a Ford Raptor. First impressions, they definitely look a lot better on the outside than the inside. Now, that's just a Ford thing, because they haven't updated their interior. Now, for 2021, 2022, yes, the new interior is gonna be nice. You know, going from like a limited dually that I'm in right now to that is like taking 6 steps backwards. I know my brothers be like, oh man, but come on, man, it's a Raptor. It's really, I don't know, like, I think I was expecting more when I floored it. It rode okay. Again, these are used, so each of them have like 40,000 miles. And he said the gray one, so the gray one's a 19, the blue one's an 18. They have almost the same mileage. So the gray one is gonna be like 76 grand, and I'm like, holy shit. That's insane. So he was like, well, if you're looking to sell your truck, we can see what we can buy it for, because they're just buying trucks outright. And I'm like, well, I mean, money talks. So they're supposed to call me and let me know how much. I don't know. So, what is that? Is that a Scat Pack or is it a Hellcat? Oh, it's a Scat. What's a little wide body Scat? So, first impressions of the Raptor. I mean, it's okay. I guess I don't see the hype behind them. And again, my perception of speed is way skewed versus anybody else. So, but like, I wasn't expecting it to be Trackhawk fast, obviously. But it just didn't like have any balls, I guess. I don't know. It didn't feel like it was fast. Like, maybe it's just me because I drive faster cars, but it was okay. For sure, it is not worth $72,000 for a used Raptor. That's out of control. The only thing is, if you bought a Raptor, they do hold their value really well. So that's, I guess, the nice thing. But I guess everything's kind of holding their value nowadays. So I'm curious to see what he would give me for this. So, because I've heard of these trucks used going for way more than they paid for stickers. So I'd be curious about that. Anyways, that's the first car in this series of what I'm going to be replacing the Charger with. I was really, I don't know, maybe I had too high of expectations for the Raptor. I just really was not very impressed. It rode okay. And again, like, that one didn't have aftermarket wheels, though. I'm pretty sure it had aftermarket tires, though. I don't know what they come with stock. I have no clue. It rode okay, but, like, the 18 is so... It sounds so stupid, but it's super basic. Like, that one didn't have a sunroof. It didn't have cooled seats. The 19 did. And I'm like, dude, it's 104 degrees outside. The AC worked okay, but again, this is a used car. So I'd be curious to see what like a 2021 Raptor would be, but it's like, okay, you know those are going to be just as much as a TRX. Is it going to be better? I don't know. The V6, I don't know. I think the only way Raptor's going to be able to compete with the TRX is if they drop that Shelby motor in it, but I don't know. Anyways, kind of disappointed, I'll be honest. Not what I was expecting. It's plenty, like, the nice thing is with those Fords, like, there's plenty of room. So, like, obviously I have a mega cab, and it's huge, but all the Fords, they're really big and they don't have the mega cab version. So that's nice. You can easily fit 4 tall ass dudes in there, which for us when we travel to the flashlight shootouts across the country, that's definitely something that I have to keep in mind. So, because for example, we're going to Houston this weekend for our flashlight shootout on Saturday. You guys should come out. And I'm taking 4 people with me, so we're gonna be really comfortable in here. So that's something I have to keep in mind too, is comfortability for traveling. So I don't know. I definitely wouldn't pay 75 grand for that used. That's insane to me. Not when you could pay like what TRX is, if you can get one for sticker, 90K, and like, I know I can get one for sticker, so 15 grand more and I could get a brand new TRX that I know is faster, I know the interior is better. I don't know. So Raptor, definitely disappointed. Probably if I would have drove it when it was like brand new, it probably would have been different, but like the technology in it is so old, I feel like it's behind. Now when the new ones come out, yeah, it'll be super nice, but those are gonna be expensive as shit too. So I don't know, we'll see. On to the next vehicle. In the next video, you guys will see what that is. If you guys have any suggestions on what cars I should test drive, let me know. First one done, Ford Raptor. I'm giving it a thumbs down as far as expectations and stuff like that. It looks way better than the inside. The inside is just not very good. The seats felt really just shitty, like vinyl. And again, I don't know if that was even a top of the line one. I have no clue. Just not what I expected. So don't go out and buy a Raptor for 75 grand that's used. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this. Hopefully you guys thumbs up the video, like the video, comment on the video. I really appreciate everybody supporting. Make sure you guys are following me at CaliBoyKev. Comment down below what you guys think I should go test drive next. My name's Kevin Van Voris, and I'm out this bitch.